Hello mga ka-bestie! We are the best realtor. Welcome to the heart of Bonifacio Global City, where luxury and convenience collide. Today we're showcasing a stunning, fully furnished two-bedroom that's perfect for discerning renters. Step into the living room where floor-to-ceiling windows flood the space with natural light. This plush sofa offers a cozy spot where you can relax or entertain guests. The adjacent dining area is perfect for intimate dinners and family gatherings. The sleek dining table and chairs create a sophisticated ambience. The kitchen area is furnished with refrigerator, microwave oven, induction cooktop, and range hood. And this side is the laundry and maid's room. And now let's check the bedrooms. The master's bedroom can fit a sofa, queen-size bed, also have a flat-screen TV, and a two storage cabinets with your personal bathroom. Now let's check the second bedroom. A queen-size bed, cabinets, and a flat-screen TV. And that's all for today mga kabestie. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour here at Bonifacio Global City. If you're interested in this stunning unit, don't hesitate to contact us. We are looking forward to assisting you in finding your dream home.